wife and I recently received a drawing in the mail from our nephew, Easton. It's a picture that he had done of his dog, Marshall. I thought today maybe I'd do a digital drawing for him and his brother, Braden, something that they might enjoy. I love how kids draw with the wild abandon that they seem to have for everything else in their lives. You can ask any kid anywhere in the world to draw you something, and they'll say, "Sure, what color do you want it?" A total lack of self-defeating judgment. They sincerely believe they can do anything. Thank goodness they'll learn proper shame and self-doubt when they start school. My brother used to say that as long as you've invested the time to nurture and develop your ability to draw, you can apply that to mastering any other medium you want. With a proper drawing skill, you could draw on the sidewalk with a dry dog turd and produce exhibition-worthy work. It's difficult to impart this insight onto art students who are looking for the magic pill or tool to get around having to put in the time and effort it takes to become a skilled draftsman, especially in this swipe left, swipe right generation. Drawing gets treated the same as weight loss. Everyone wants a magic pill or supplement so they don't have to face actual diet and exercise. The most successful artists I've known, with the most diverse and flexible careers, have all been folks that are continuously dedicated to a lifetime of drawing. And not just with the intent of improving, but for the simple joy of doing it. For me, it's been an essential part of exploring and understanding my world throughout my entire life. Not to mention that it's so much fun. There's little else I'd rather do. Whether you choose to pick up graphite, charcoal, a brush, clay, carved stone, or a stylus, whatever, drawing is the foundation on which you rest your visual communication. Your natural style and your thought process is revealed no matter which medium you choose. That's pretty cool. Certainly there are specific idiosyncrasies to any new medium you may choose to try, but those things tend to be mostly a matter of physics and they're easily overcome. The common denominator in controlling all medium is still drawing. I've been working with digital mediums now for about 10 years, and I've gotten pretty comfortable with it. Like a lot of artists that are used to working with more traditional mediums, I rejected the notion of digital tools at first. When it finally dawned on me to simply apply my drawing and color skills to it, it turned out to be just another medium. Making the transition from animating on paper to animating digitally was a huge leap for me, but eventually I grew comfortable with it. I still prefer paper and graphite or paint and canvas over colored pixels, but I also think it's important to stay adaptable and open to trying new things as they become available. Digital tools and software are changing and improving so fast that I may never stay totally caught up, but I'm open to it and I'm trying. My buddy Aaron Blaze came up with this concept of drawing over cloud shapes and creating pictures. So I guess I'm kind of stealing this from him. He's done a much better job of making it into its own kind of art form. We can all imagine the things that we see in the cloud shapes, but having your ability to draw can bring them to life. If you get a chance, slip over to Aaron's YouTube channel and see what he's been up to. His work will make you want to pick up a pencil and explore. I don't mean to be plugging his channel, but we've been friends for a long time and I admire his work a great deal. So naturally I want to share it. And it's not like you have to be a prodigy or a virtuoso either. You just need some understanding of volume and contour, line, perspective, and a basic understanding of interpreting light and shadow. Like anything else, it takes some practice, but that's pretty much it. Personally, I'm a strong believer that anyone can do it. Talent is something that you develop. It's not something you're born with. Anyone can learn to cook, or dance, or build furniture, or work on cars, or draw, or paint, or sculpt. It all depends on how much time and effort you're willing to put into it and whether or not you're enjoying what you do. This is Ronnie Williford. Stay safe and get your pixels dirty.